Here's how to create and set up a new Claude AI account using the official Anthropic website or app in less than 3 minutes. Today I will show you in a step-by-step guide how to get access to Claude AI for chatting, writing, coding, and research tasks while also noting that optional paid plans may appear during setup. First, open your browser and go to the Claude website or open the Claude mobile app on your phone. You'll see the welcome screen with sign in and account creation options in the center of the page. Once you're there, tap the email field or select the Continue with Google button to begin creating your account. Make sure your internet connection is stable before moving to the next screen. Next, enter your email address carefully or sign in with your Google account. You'll usually see a login pop-up, verification prompt, or authentication request appear on your screen. Then, check your email inbox for the verification message if you used email sign up. Open the message and tap the verification link or enter the login code shown inside the email. After that, return to the Claude page and complete the setup process. Your screen may briefly show onboarding prompts, terms of service notices, or permission requests before loading the dashboard. Now, accept any required terms or privacy confirmations to continue into the main interface. You'll then see the chat box at the bottom, a sidebar for conversation history, and account controls in the side menu. Once your account is active, you can immediately start typing prompts into the chat box and using Claude normally. If you see optional upgrade plans inside settings and billings, remember those are paid subscriptions and are not required for basic account creation. If you don't see this option, there's another way. Try switching to another browser like Chrome, Firefox, or Safari. Then clear your browser cache and cookies before opening the sign-up page. You could also use email sign-up instead of Google Login, or install the mobile app and try signing in there instead. If the verification email never arrives, check your spam or junk folder first. Once everything is set, you will see the Claude AI dashboard with the chat box, conversation history sidebar, and access to Claude's AI tools features. Following these simple steps makes creating a Claude AI account quick and easy.